Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Shweta and today we are going to learn about distinguish between bookkeeping and accountancy. So now there are few points which are very important to understand and what are the difference and wrong with them. So first point is why the BK is important. Here BK is important because it helps in recording and classifying the data. Whereas accountancy हमको क्यों हेल्प करता है? Accountancy हमको summarize, analyze करता है and interpretate करता है. What is the meaning of interpretate? To explain something in very detail. It is called as interpreting. Next is stages. So basically it helps accountancy in the basic stage, that is called as bookkeeping. So बीके हमें हेल्प करता है अकाउंटेंसी का बेस रेडी करने के लिए, whereas accountancy is the secondary stage as well as with the primary stage, because accountancy के अंदर you can see the primary stage as well as the secondary stage. Third is objective. Now why we have already discussed about the objectives of bookkeeping. So very important point is it helps to keep the record financial transaction in a systematic manner. There are particular rules and regulation to maintain the bookkeeping process. And here we maintain the financial statements. यहाँ पे होता है financial transactions. And here we have financial statements like profit and loss balance sheets. These are called as financial statements. Next is responsibility. Now who will take the responsibility to prepare the bookkeepings? Who will take the responsibility to prepare the accountancy? So here junior staff helps to prepare the basic level data. Senior staff helps to prepare the financial statements in accountancy. What are the outcomes? अब हम ये इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं लेकिन इसका आउटकम क्या है? तो ये हमको क्या देगा? जर्नल एंड लेजर. Bookkeeping gives us journal and ledger in outcome, whereas it gives us profit and loss and balance sheet, because profit and loss and balance sheet are called as financial statements. Next is period. Bookkeeping gives day-to-day details. हमको दिन ब दिन की जो details है that has been given by the bookkeeping, whereas ये हमको पूरे साल का डेटा देता है. Means it is the basic level and it is the highest or we can say the secondary stage of the accounting. ये हमको monthly या day to day record देता है, ये हमको annual record देता है. Next is skill required. Now what are the skills required in bookkeeping? What are the skills required in accountancy? It is very important question and basic question. ये हमको analytical skill के लिए required नहीं होता है. There is no skill required. Just you have to maintain the data as per the date. So उसमें कोई नया skill नहीं होता. Whereas it is required analytical skill. Analytical skill के अंदर हमको date wise, process wise सारी चीज़ें maintain करनी होती है. So it is analytical skill. Thank you.